do this way. You fold it in half this way. Want it big? You do this way. For beginners, it's better to do small. Small is easier. I started off making a paper airplane yesterday. Okay, here we go. If you're gonna make a long one, do this. You fold it in half. Like this. Anyway, like this or this, I don't care. Now, you fold these two in the middle. And the other one too. And now you unfold it. So you have 4 sections. Now, make a house. Everyone knows how to make a house. So make sure it touches the middle line. Perfecto! Now you take this, fold it again. Just like this. And guys, here, this is why the smaller one's easier. I tried it once, and I saw that this will touch all the way here. It's better because it's equal, so it's easier. So now you fold it like this. You see it's not equal? You see? Fold it. So it's like you do it like this. But no, we have to make the wings. So you take one wing, do it. I'm gonna make it a huge wing. As before as you want. Oh, that's bad one. Sorry, guys. And the fourth one. What happened? Oh, I need a bigger one here. Like this. Sorry, guys. Make sure there's some space here to hold your plane. The your paper airplane. Now let's show one of the professionals. Okay.
No, wait. It throw there.
Ladies, see that? When you saw it move, it's gliding through the air, right? Do you know how?
Do it one more time.
So you know how, people? Like this?
Do it again.
Because it's pushing all that gravity. Do you know how a real plane flies? A real plane flies. It goes high in the air. There's less